New headlights for the OBS. I think these things are called AmeriLite or AmeriLite Lights. More Amazon specials that are just good enough to work. And look pretty cool. Got that little halo around them. The markers are off of Amazon too. I like the way they give the little signal there, little reverted flash. But there you go. Thought I'd get rid of those MOVOTORs or whatever the heck they're called. I really didn't like the light they shine, the pencil beams, you know, when you're going down a little rough road, they kind of bounce up and down really harsh and about put me to sleep. Well, thanks for watching.